Fremont and Palo Alto mayors support Tesla and Elon Musk with statements. The mayor of Fremont says she supports the reopening of the Tesla's main factory in Fremont after CEO Elon Musk threatened to move the Tesla headquarters from out of California to Texas or Nevada and filed a lawsuit against the Alameda County that prevents the opening of Tesla's main electric car factory in Fremont, California. Support for Tesla also came from the Palo Alto mayor, where Tesla's Autopilot team is located. Good day, everyone. In a moment, I'm going to tell you about these details and in this report and how this support came about. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I ask you to please join our community here and subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring these reports to you. And if you would like to support our channel, I would really appreciate buying us an animated applause once a month, maybe by clicking on the applaud button, which is next to the like button if you are watching this video on a desktop. After Tesla CEO Elon Musk threatened to move Tesla headquarters out of California over the shutdown, the Fremont Mayor Lily Mei released a statement basically saying she strongly believes that some safe practices are possible for manufacturing businesses to operate. Here is what the mayor of Fremont, where Tesla's main car plant is located, said in a release. Quote, "As the local shelter-in-place order continues without provisions for major manufacturing activity, such as Tesla, to resume, I am growing concerned about the potential implications for our regional economy. We know many essential businesses have proven they can successfully operate using strict safety and social distancing practices. I strongly believe these same practices could be possible for other manufacturing businesses, especially those that are so critical to our employment base. The city encourages the county to engage with our local businesses to come up with acceptable guidelines for reopening our local economy. As we have done for over a decade, the city is prepared to support Tesla as soon as they are able to resume automobile manufacturing operations and are committed to a thoughtful, balanced approach to this effort that remains safe for our Fremont community." End of the quote. Interestingly, Adrian Fine, who is the mayor of Palo Alto, where Tesla's Autopilot team is located, also expressed his support of Tesla in a tweet saying, "Palo Alto mayor here. I would be really sad and disappointed if Tesla left city of Palo Alto and stand ready to help. I truly appreciate having a cutting-edge company based here, employing people, paying taxes, and helping to solve the climate crisis. Happy to help, Elon Musk." End of the quote. Well, you see, these people are coming up with support, and this is a good sign for Tesla. Now, Tesla has filed a lawsuit against Alameda County in California, where Tesla's Fremont factory is based. The factory has been shut since March 23 after Alameda County ordered it to shut down as part of social distancing measures aimed to curbing this virus, the spread of this virus. In the lawsuit that Tesla filed, Tesla alleged the shutdown ignores an earlier order from California's Governor Gavin Newsom that permits businesses in, quote, 16 crucial infrastructure industries, end of the quote, including transportation, to continue work. It describes the lawsuit, describes the decision as both unconstitutional and, quote, inexplicable, end of the quote, and says there is no rational basis for the facility's closure. The firm, Tesla, is hoping for an injunction that would render the shutdown order invalid. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has threatened to move the automaker's headquarters to Texas or Nevada as a result of the shutdown. We know that recently Elon Musk has been kind of warming up for Texas because of its business climate. In an angry tweet Saturday since deleted, he wrote, "Frankly, this is the final straw. Tesla will now move its headquarters and future programs to Texas, Nevada immediately. If we even retain Fremont manufacturing activity at all, it will be dependent on how Tesla is treated in the future. Tesla is the last car maker left in California." For its part, Alameda County says it has been engaging in what it calls a, quote, collaborative good faith effort to develop and implement a safety plan that allows for reopening, end of the quote, of the Fremont factory. So we can see, according to Alameda County, they are working toward coming up with a safety plan to allow for the reopening of Alameda factory. But adding fuel to the flames, California State Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez tweeted, "F Elon Musk" on Saturday night, hours after Musk's threat to decamp for Texas or Nevada. In a blog post, Tesla said it had handed over detailed information to county officials about how it might get employees back to work safely, to no avail. Tesla wrote, "We will continue to put people back to work in a safe and responsible manner. However, the county's position left us no choice but to take legal action to ensure that Tesla and its employees can get back to work. We filed a lawsuit on May 9th asking the court to invalidate the county's orders to the extent that county's claims they prevent Tesla from resuming operations." Tesla says its return to work playbook details the comprehensive safety measures the company has introduced to ensure employee safety. Please keep an eye on our channel, because later today, after bringing you and reporting another breaking news about the Tesla Giga Berlin construction, I will have a special report about Tesla's return to work playbook, in which I will show you how Tesla's return to work plan worked at Giga Shanghai in China, and how Tesla hopes to safely bring employees back to work at Fremont, California. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these things. Do you think this is a lot of information to digest? What do you think Tesla should do? What would you do if you were the decision maker at Tesla? Let's have a serious discussion in the comment section below that will make good business logic and business case involving both safety and the economy, because this is an important thing affecting the economy of our country. And what would you do if you were Elon Musk? And do you think Tesla should move to Texas or Nevada to move its headquarters? How difficult it is to move an entire company to another state. This is a huge enterprise. This is huge work. I personally feel that it will be great that Tesla and the Alameda County can come to terms, because this will affect the lives there. Because if Tesla goes to Nevada or Fremont, there will be a lot of unemployment in Alameda County in California, because Tesla employs, I don't know how many people they employ in not only in Fremont but also in the entire California, because we know, for example, the main factory is in Fremont, California, but the Autopilot team, and I don't know how many people work in the Autopilot team is in Palo Alto. This is why it's no surprise that local mayors are releasing statements and tweets supporting Tesla, but I believe that maybe this lawsuit will come out good, and maybe as a result the decision of the court will be something that both sides can work. If there is a real health threat, maybe they can come up with a program, because like later today I'm going to report about how Tesla's plan in Shanghai worked well. You know that in Tesla's factory, the Giga Shanghai was also shut down for a brief period of time. Tesla quickly came up with a plan to resume operations in Shanghai, and safely resumed operations, and they had done list of things and I'm going to report that later today. Please look for that report. And maybe Alameda County, that as it said is working in a good faith plan to bring work together to make sure Tesla can safely work. Maybe Alameda County and Tesla can work together, a quick plan that will allow Tesla to get back to work, and with keeping the necessary safety measures so the county can work. Because I am really concerned that the unemployment and the country's economy going down will have far worse effects on our lives than just this flu-like virus. Well, let's see what you think about this in the comment section below. How would you solve this problem if you were a decision maker? This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. I ask you to please join our community here and subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring these reports to you, please. And if you would like to support our channel, help us to keep our independence, I would really appreciate buying us an animated applause once a month by clicking on the applaud button, which is next to the like button, if you're watching this video on a desktop, because that feature is not yet available on a smartphone. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, and I will see you soon in our next report. Stay safe.